Hi there, I'm Cort from Total Prepare, and today we're cooking Legacy. Really easy to prepare, so first things first, let's get some water boiling. For creamy a la king, we'll be adding 6 cups of water, and as with all Legacy meals, each pouch contains 4 servings. Our water's boiling, so now on to the next step. We're going to open the pouch of Legacy here. And then inside you want to find the oxygen absorber. It's in there to keep things fresh. Now that we've retrieved our oxygen absorber, we're going to uncover our pot. Whew. And start to mix the contents of the pouch in slowly. Stirring as you go. So, cooking part is done. Now it's time to serve. Do you want some of this? Legacy is one of our favorite food brands here at Total Prepare, and for good reason. The meals are all vegetarian and they have a 25-year shelf life. Non-GMO, there's no added MSG. There's gluten-free options as well. They're the largest serving size in the industry, lowest cost per pound per calorie, and best of all, they taste great. Cheers! Until next time, be prepared, not scared.